What's up, guys? Good morning. My name is Matthew. Welcome back to Nomadic Trader. We're here one more day on today's Thursday. Finally Thursday. Yesterday I thought it was Thursday, but we are back here trading again. We are looking at the Nasdaq 100 futures here. Right now we are looking at the 528 tick chart here. Let's look at the 5-minute chart here on the Nasdaq. So it looks like we hit all-time highs in the overnight session here, kind of broke past as well, but then immediately had about almost a little over 100-point sell-off here, maybe 105-point sell-off here. That's kind of scary. We'll see here. Came back up. Let's actually try here Fibonacci retracement. Let's see if this actually works here. So again, a little fib level here. I don't really use Fibonacci retracements too often, but it is interesting to see when they do work out perfectly like it just did here. So we may actually see a move back down here to 14,500. If we break past, I will keep waiting, but I do want to wait until we get down to the 14,500 level to see what is going to happen today in the market. Again, beautiful fib retracement right here, right off of the 50 level. So very, very cool. So if we look on ES here, ES also hit all-time highs on the overnight session, and again had quite a heavy sell-off here, about a 305 to, what is that, a 20 point sell-off. Just about. Market just opened, so let's wait and be patient and see what the market gives us today. Let me set my my brackets are not here. Okay. Don't know where my brackets are, guys. Oh, here, quick. I'm sorry. Yep. Yeah, brackets are right here. So again, we're looking at the 528 tick chart. This is usually my entry chart here. These are VWAP bands, so third standard deviation. Blue is positive second standard deviation. This dotted orange line here is positive 1.5 standard. This purple line is positive 1 standard. Yellow line is VWAP, and purple, orange, blue, and red are all negative 1 through 3 standard deviations. So yeah, guys, let's just wait and see what happens. We've been having a good week so far, so let's see if we can keep that momentum going. A little bit of a buy up, not too many buyers stepped in, so again, I'm not going to step in. I'm not going to buy in anywhere near this level. Maybe once we approach 14,500, I may be interested, but also have to look at sellers, see if sellers are coming in strong, or and kind of just see what's going on. This is the first. Still have about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 3 minutes and 20 seconds until this first 5-minute candle opens on the Nasdaq. If we just look here, sellers are still quite in control here on Delta, creating not really quite a bit of indecision here with this first 5-minute candle here. Buyers trying to step in. Let's see on the 528. Yeah, they're still trying. Not having too much success, but let's see if maybe there's a little spike of buyers here once we approach VWAP. And we are sitting on volume 540 right now. Buyers are trying to break through. Again, I'm not getting in anywhere here. First 5 minutes of the day, so this could dump at any second. And we don't have, for the big of a move that we had here, especially with sellers, buyers really need to step up. Buyers, and they're starting to come in right now. But again, guys, I'm not getting in. it's just too risky for me, especially with the drop like we had, 100-point sell-off. I don't know, it's just a bit risky for me. So rather just wait and see where we're going. We are catching some steam right here. ES really caught some nice steam. Buyers really came in, actually. Buyers really came in. And that's okay. I have no issue with that. I have no issue with sitting out of this one. It's not really an entry. If price had gone down again, touched -1.5 standard, and possibly even gone down to 515, I would have been interested. But I mean, I guess that's still good because price only bounced off of around 525 here, and Delta kind of maintained. So I mean, I guess that was an entry, but it's not really pressed to get in right now. Thank you guys, by the way, for watching the videos. Thank you guys for, if you appreciate the content, drop a like, drop a subscribe, leave a comment to let me know what you guys want to see. If there's anything in particular that you want to see, if you want me to explain, I will try my best to explain it. So yeah, guys, kind of just waiting to see, starting to maybe curl over a little bit. Maybe we can test the 1 standard again here, the -1 standard. That would be cool. If not, again, I'm still waiting for this 500 level here to see what we do at 500. But we're just being patient. And of course, buyers really step in. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. I guess we did bounce off of this last high here at 550, right off of volume here at 550. But I don't know. It's still a little bit. Buyers really stepped in nicely. On ES as well. Starting to have a little sell-off on ES. Nothing too crazy. NAS is trying to also have a little sell-off, and that's perfectly okay. I'm actually quite a fan of that sell-off. Sell-offs are very fun because, as you can see right here, there was a major sell-off. Found support at 14,500. I mean, and that was just a 50-point rip right off of it. So, yeah, sell-offs are definitely our friend, especially since we're mostly long traders. Sell-offs are really fun to see, and just exciting. So again, guys, we're just waiting. Kind of stuck at VWAP here. VWAP and volume. Maybe. I don't know. Let me see. Kind of consolidating on volume here. Again, I don't want to jump into anything too aggressively. Yeah. Nah. I don't know. No. I'm not gonna get in. I mean. And I really wanted to go. I really want to go back down. I really wanted to go back down and test 500. I mean, it would be awesome. It would be an awesome test. But sorry, guys, I keep yawning. Had a long night again, but we're stuck here right at volume at 55. As if we break this range, Delta is trying to break this current structure here to break into new short-term highs on Delta. But let's see if it keeps going. Let's see if price actually goes back down here to view up and sellers don't step in. I may actually get in here. Let's see. No, price needs to go down a little. Price needs to go down a little. Way too high right now. Way too high. And this actually may just rocket off without me. And that's okay. That's okay. I mean, I wouldn't like it for it to happen, but it is what it is. So yeah, guys, I'm kind of just waiting here to see what we do. Okay. Oh, that's crazy, man. It's 8 minutes into the day, and we're already okay. Here we go. Let's get some volatility, man. Let's get some volatility going. Like, come on, guys. Let's move these markets. Let's move them. Okay, price is going down finally. I like that. I like that. Here we go. And I may actually, let's see. No. Let's see if we can go lower here. Price goes lower and Delta maintains. I'm definitely getting in here. Price went a little lower. ES is almost made a full retracement candle, so that is not. It's not too cool. 12 seconds until this candle closes. I'm gonna wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's see. Oh wow, there we go. That's what we needed. So yeah, guys. So I thought about getting in actually. I like that. I like this entry here. And guys, that's what happens when you hesitate. It's all right though. I'm okay. I mean, we probably would have gotten filled quite quickly in a few seconds. But again, guys, that was a little just nice little spike. We would have gotten filled out quite quickly. But it's okay. It's all right. So let's see what happens here again. If we touch 43, okay, we're going down a little. Let's go down a little. Yeah, I mean, I'm okay that I missed that one. It's that was a great spike though. Great spike. Actually, get in again here.
Order filled.
So price came back down. Delta did not, barely. So let's see if we can get another little nice spike here. Kind of get at the top here. Let's see. I mean, it's kind of slowing down. I don't like how. Yeah. I don't like that. I don't like to see that. It's trying. I may actually. Well, ES is getting some nice buyers stepping in here. ES is looking good. Let's look on the 1 minute here. See what we see on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's not looking too good. Maybe. We'll see. Oh my gosh, why do my charts keep doing that every time? Go to current bar. Oops, nope. Show fills. Go to current bar. Wow, what is going on right now? Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry, guys.
Order filled.
Oh, my order was filled. Nice. I didn't even know. What the heck? That was crazy. I was trying to watch that. Okay, so I guess we're going to fill these wicks. That's cool. Okay, that's cool. I mean, we got out. I don't even know how much we made. So, yeah, guys, that was actually cool. That was a cool entry. That was a cool entry, exit. I like that trade. Show feels nice. I don't even know how much I made. 225. Cool. Nice. All right. So we are okay. Something's wrong with my charts. Something's way wrong with my charts here. Let's do this and do this. 999. Okay. There we go. That's better. I like that better. So, but now what is? Wow, guys, what is happening with my charts here? What is going on? There we go. That's what I want to see. I want to see volume. I want to see everything. Okay, guys. So here we are. So again, that was, let's show fills here. That was a good entry, good trade. I enjoyed that. Delta maintained. Delta still maintained. Went back up, hit our target, and right in that range, right in this about what 56 to almost a 10-point range, just about 10-point range. So that was cool fill. I like that. I don't know if I'm gonna get in again because price went back up. Delta didn't really go back up all the way. So gonna wait and see if we maybe can test down here volume at 540. If we break 540 volume here, I would expect to see rotation down to again maybe -1 standard, possibly even -1.5 standard. Ideally down to 14,500. I really want us to go down to 14,500. That would be ideal. So yeah, it looks like we're consolidating quite heavily here. I'm not going to get in. Again, if we break 560 here, or well, I guess it's about a 20-point range. Sorry, guys. Can't really do math in the morning. 560, if we break 560, most likely we'll kind of fly through this volume well here and go up to 570, which we may be doing right now. Trying to break 560 right now. Volume buyers stepping in here, and there we go. Just rocketed right through that volume well, almost right up to 570 here. So that was a great call out. Great call out. Enjoyed that call out. So yeah, buyers maintained the whole time. So I guess that was a good entry as well. But again, sadly, not here to catch every move. Just moves that I can see. And I guess that was a good entry because Delta made a higher low actually, so that was actually a good entry as well. But again, it's all good, guys. Not here to capture every single move. Just try to capture what I can. We are up 221 on the day so far, so so far it's a cool day. It's anything but red, so anything. If I'm not red, it's a good day. So yeah, guys, let's just keep waiting. Still before 10 o'clock, so ES is actually looking good. ES is looking really, really strong here. Buyers really stepping in here on ES. Yeah, ES is looking really, really good here. Let me actually show you guys. Sorry, I keep forgetting that I have a second screen. So ES here made a full retracement candle, and then immediately beautiful engulfing candle here, with buyers stepping in very strongly. So this move to the upside is very expected. Here on NAS, buyers definitely came in very strongly. Delta strong all the way, even through this candle, these two candles here. Delta still very strong, and buyers still very strong right now. Like I had mentioned before, if we broke 560 level here, top of this range, most likely would see quite a quick move up to 570, and that did end up happening, and we rejected right off 570. So that was a great call out with this volume well here between 560 and 570. So that was a great move as well. So let's just keep waiting. Let's just be patient and be cold-blooded. You got to be cold-blooded when you're working with the markets. So again, guys, we've only made one trade so far. It was about a 11.25 points in profit. So that was cool. 225. That was a quick trade. Not really a quick trade, but quicker than usual. About a minute and 20 something seconds. Minute and 26 seconds. Okay, so here our price is going back down. At volume again, kind of moving back down to the bottom of the range here. Again, honestly, I really want to see us test 500 again, which would be awesome. Right? If we even hit 540, I may hop in. If Delta maintains this level here at even like 4,500, if Delta maintains this level at like negative 4,500 here, and I'm in. Oh, okay, here. Well, I guess I don't want to get in the middle of the range though, so still gonna wait. Still gonna be waiting here. I mean, you may actually just rocket right off of this because there are some wicks that need to be filled yet again on NAS. So I'm actually going to let's see. There's some major wicks that need to be filled on NAS. So let me hop
order filled.
You know what? Let me just hop in here. Send my order up to 70 and YOLO it. Yeah, guys, sometimes you do have to YOLO it because look at these wicks. Look at these wicks. Look at these wicks. They gotta be filled, man. They gotta be filled. Like, come on. And buyers are stepping in here. You know what? I'm going to move my target a bit higher. You know, there's a little well there at 80. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. You know, I'll be conservative. I'll be very conservative and just put it like here. If you see a bit of weakness like that, I'm
order
out.
Filled.
I'll take my little bit of cash and dip. I have no issue with that. No issue with that at all whatsoever. I'll take my little bit of cash. I don't feel like holding off for this. If we come back down here again and test it with Delta, I'll get in again. But yeah, let's see, because there are quite a bit of wicks that need to be filled on. Yes, and there we go. I'm happy with that exit that I had. Again, price came back down. Delta did not, so I'm actually going to hop back in here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can try this again. A little below volume, just to be sure. Delta is not coming down, so that's interesting. Okay, as I say it, now we're going down. So obviously that always happens, right? The second I say something, of course it's going down, eh? Of course. So now we're seeing some downward movement with the price. ES sellers trying to step in here, stepping in slightly. NAS is tanking, not really. NAS is going down a little. So we are going to withstand some pain here, and I'm ready for it. Let's get this going, man. Let's get this going. So price came down a little lower than this last low on Delta. And now we're selling off pretty hard here. We're right at volume here. Or right at Delta and right at approaching the bottom of the range. If we break the bottom of this range, that'd be tricky. Yeah. There we go. And we just did. So let's see what we can. So sorry guys, went a little silent. That is when you know I'm in pain and I am struggling, but it's okay. It's all part of the game here. Let us. I'm actually going to wait until we go down to like 20s. I don't want to hop in anything too aggressively here again. Yeah, guys, so we are kind of at the -1 standard deviation right now. Trying to find some support somewhere. I have something found it right here, but I'm not getting in. We can actually move this down. No buyers stepped in on this little push here, so I'm not getting in. New candle just opened actually, so yeah, let's wait a bit more, see what she's gonna do here. Hopefully we do not. I don't even want to say it. Hopefully we don't. I've been looking at the 500 level all day, man. I've been saying it. I said it before the market opened. Right? So hopefully we just don't go and test that right now as I'm in the trade. But it looks like we're kind of consolidating here at the -1. I don't like the big price action candle here. Negative price action candle here. No buyers stepping in. Delta is not really maintaining. Not really, kind of. Okay, I'm actually going to wait until it goes back down a little, and then I'll hop in this one.
Order filled.
So I'm in 2 contracts action right now. So we can get a move back up to where we were. Buyers are reslepping. ES is trying to catch a bid here. Buyers slowly stepping in here. Let's see. I do my first entry. My first entry is at 54. So let's see. Turn these brackets off just in case here. Yes, is catching a nice bid. Trying to engulf that candle there. Let's look at the 1 minute. Okay, buyers starting to step in here. And so let's see. Let's wait and see. I mean, ideally, if we can fill these wicks, that would be awesome. That'd be sick. But I don't know if we'll fill them. If we can get some buyers here, I'm definitely going to hold a bit longer. If we get some nice buyers here, as we are starting to get some buyers here. We rejected VWAP almost to the tick here. 56 seconds until this candle closes, and it will be 10 o'clock. So this should be an interesting close. Let's see how they close it. Hopefully it's not too... Hopefully there isn't... Well, we'll just see. We'll just see what happens. Whatever happens, happens. It is what it is. But I would like to at least see rotation back up to volume here. Point of control, top of the day here. So maybe we can get a rotation back up there. 3-to-1 block at 48. Hopefully we run that. That'll be cool. But it looks like we're having a little some... Yeah, 33 blocks still at 48. So this is actually going to go crazy. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, so look at the spread. Look at the spread on this thing. Wow, what was going on? New candle just opened. So, yeah, guys, I am... So, yeah, guys, I'm kind of just waiting here. Delta maintained again, which is nice. I'm not getting in a third one. First minute went by in this new 5-minute candle. This is really when emotions start really kicking in here. And really starting to kick my ass, but just gotta wait and see what happens. This is when the pain really starts to set in here. We do have wicks on the 5-minute that I would like to see filled. I mean, look at that. We got 1, 2, 5 wicks on the upside here. I just want to fill this. I just want to fill just here. We go back up and hit all-time highs. It's cool, but I just want a little wick. Just a 2. Just wake me up, please, please. So buyers step. Oh, thank goodness, buyers stepping in here. Like I said, motions really start to ramp up quickly when you are in a position like this. And I'm just gonna wait here. I'm just gonna wait and see. Move maybe this up to 60. Just give me whole numbers, right? Just be part of the machine, right? Just give me whole numbers. May hop out of 1 pretty soon. My first entry is at 54, so I'm gonna try and don't want to hold on to this for too long here. Kind of stuck at volume here at 50.
Order filled.
Let's hop out of 1. Deleverage a little. That was a winning trade, I believe. I believe that was a winner. It was a loser. What? $85 loser. Oh, 54. Man, I'm losing my marbles. I'm losing my marbles. Okay, I'm happy with that deleverage right there. I'll take that. I'll take that small loss. That's fine. I've no problem with that. Because now then I can withstand this a little longer. And again, if we flush 500 or 500, I have like my stop is still in place. That I'll be okay. So yeah, guys, just waiting now, waiting to see what happens. I was okay with that deleverage. That would have definitely this little candle would have freaked me. This one right here, this candle right here would have freaked me out, and I would be sweating bullets right now. So I'm happy, definitely happy with my deleveraging position here. Man, but just fill these wicks, man. Just fill these wicks on ES or on NAS, dude. ES is catching a bid. There's some good buyers stepping in on ES. But man, just honestly, just fill me up here. Turn me up to my fills, to my wick fills, man. Yes, it's catching a little bit of bid. I really like the 528 because I can just see Delta is just so much clearer on the 528 tick chart. Honestly, Delta is so much clearer. I feel like it is. See, now you can see that the buyers are slowly starting to step in here. I'm happy with the deleverage at 50. It is what it is. I'm cool with that. I may actually start to. I mean, buyers are looking good. Honestly, buyers are looking good here. Buyers are really looking really good here. Hopefully no big sellers coming. New candle just opened actually, so trying to move back up to to fill these wicks. So let us yeah, I'm gonna keep waiting. Gonna keep waiting, see if Delta can increase here. Price is going up a little. I do want to try and be patient to see if these wicks do get filled, because I would really like these wicks to get filled. But I don't want to be a dick for a tick and miss out on everything. So, ooh, I like to see that. That's what I like to see. Yeah, make those sellers disappear. Make those sellers disappear. Turn them into buyers. No sellers on this push down. No, still no sellers on this push down. I don't want to. I don't know. Let's see. 2 minutes until the scandal. 2 minutes and 50 seconds till the scandal closes. Still no sellers. Delta's maintaining here. But again, guys, I'm kind of willing to hold this a bit longer because of these wicks. There are these wicks here that should be filled. My target's just at the top of those wicks. So again, if we flush down, we get on 15. Delta's looking good on 5 minutes. Delta's also looking good on 1 minute. Possibly starting to curl over here. Possibly. Don't want to get too greedy. Definitely don't want to get too greedy, but again, Delta maintained here, so let's just hold off. Delta maintained with this pushback down here, right at just above volume, actually at 540. If Delta does not make a new high here, I don't know. Let's see. Let us wait and see. We have a minute left until the candle closes. ES is looking really strong here. ES is looking very, very strong here. Buyer is really looking good. I just like this movement here. Buyer's looking really, really good here. NAS just needs to follow. It's simple as that. NAS just needs to follow. But it is looking like it's curling a little. So, like I mentioned when we were looking at the 1 minute, yeah, it does look like it's curling a little bit. So, got to be cautious. Got to be cautious. Yeah. Looking at this structure here on Delta. 17 seconds until the candle, 15 seconds until the candle closes. Hopefully we get a nice spike like we did earlier. I think it was around here that we had a really nice spike. Just a 2. Or I think it was here where we filled that volume well. So again, just waiting to see. Delta still trying to maintain here. See if we can get, yeah, because there's big volume here at 50, big volume here at 55 as well. So I don't know if we'll actually get those wicks filled. It really just needs to break this volume at 50, break volume at 55, and then we should again see that rotation through this little, still volume well, but just a slightly larger volume. Well, smaller volume well. Would you say larger or smaller? I don't know, but let's try and see if we can break 50, break 55, and then we should see our rotation up to fill those wicks, because I'm waiting for those wick fills. That would be almost 20 points in profit, so that's cool. That would be very cool. So I do really want to wait and see if we can get that. But again, I don't want to be too greedy. Delta's looking good here. Delta's starting to look again. Excuse me, starting to look good again. But I don't want to be a dick for a tick and just hold off the entire day because I didn't want to. I didn't want to miss my opportunity, right? So I'm just trying to be smart here. If we really are struggling with 50 and 55, I may just hop out and take my profit. But I do want to wait a little bit because Delta's starting to look good again, and Delta maintained through this move. There was a 80 block at 45. Oh, it was just pulled. Okay, 54 or 57 block at 45. I don't know if these guys will get filled again. Delta's looking good. I'm happy. I'm holding off on it. Again, I'm happy with that first exit here to deleverage. I'm definitely happy with that deleverage play. Yes is looking strong. Delta's trying to break again. I don't know if we'll get that break. I'm actually gonna hop out here.
Order filled.
And take my profit at 245. That's terrible. That's actually terrible. Wow, that actually sucks, man. Ugh. But it's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, because it's just looking weaker and weaker, and I don't really want to hold off on all this. It's just really looking weaker. ES is looking strong, but just NAS is just not looking too strong. But again, guys, if we see another entry here, I will be happy to get in. But probably would be my last trade because it is past 10 o'clock in the summer, so volume definitely slows down a little. Again, guys, this is where FOMO starts to really kick in. My mind is going a million a second right now. Million miles a second right now, and I'm just trying to calm down and be patient and not jump into anything I will regret very quickly. Um, so again, guys, just kind of waiting, waiting to see what we do. We've been in this range all day, so I don't know, guys. Let's see what she does here. New 5 minute just opened. I really would want it to see break down. Really want it to break down here. But we're just in this range right now. Buyers are slowly starting to step in here, so let me actually hop in.
Order filled.
Okay, guys, that was a little bit of a FOMO trade here. I did see some buyers step in, so I got excited. So this is definitely a FOMO trade. Hopefully we get lucky and and get out of this. But we'll see, guys. We'll see. Buyers trying to step in here. Again, if we fill these wicks, that would be quite awesome. But I'm not sure yet. See, now we're starting to move back down here. So this was definitely a FOMO trade. And now we're gonna have to pay for our or deal with our consequences, right? Because that was a big FOMO trade, and it's just yeah. So guys, this is actually going to be my last trade because FOMO is hitting me hard right now, and I need to just be take a deep breath and just calm down. Take a deep breath and just calm down. Again, let's just be calm and be calm. Delta is not breaking this structure so far. Has not broken the structure so far. Moving down to this first level of structure. Kind of breaking through. Then we have one more level of structure. And we just broke that through that second level of structure, so we are going to see some big time pain right now. And this is what happens when you FOMO, guys. This is definitely what happens when you FOMO into a trade. I knew that sell-off was going to happen, and it's just, it is what it is. And I'm just upset at myself that I couldn't hold my nerve. But let's try and get a good second entry here. We can get a good second. About a minute left until this 5-minute candle closes. Yes, it's starting to look a little heavy, which is not too comforting. And we're going to keep moving downwards here. I don't want to be stopped out because of the slippage. So I'll put it down here a little past the third standard deviation. That's a big stop, but we'll see. I'm trying to make up for my FOMO trade. So yeah, so now we're here. Now we're here. We gotta stick with it. And we're probably gonna test the 500 right now. Possibly sweep those lows. Hopefully not by too much, but yeah, this is going to get interesting. Yeah, so this is that was you know what, guys, it's just upsetting. It's just upsetting that like I know, I'm gonna get real with you guys. I know how to do this. It's just sometimes that FOMO really kicks in really hard, like it did. Let's see if we're bouncing off of the second standard.
Order filled.
So yeah, guys, FOMO just really is really tough. Even though I do know how to trade, and I've been trading for quite a little bit now. FOMO is something that will always be with you as a trader, and you just have to be able to learn how to control it. As you just witnessed, I was not able to control my FOMO. Control that dragon. It's a dragon that's out to get you. Out to get you. I mean, honestly, it's a fight or flight response naturally, but it's a tough thing to deal with sometimes, and it's just very stressful, very stressful. But we'll see if we can move back up, try and get our original entry at 45. I don't know if we'll get there. So yeah, so now again, guys, we just wait and see. I'm in 2 contracts right now. If we look at the 1 minute here, bounce, actually this was a nice bounce because we swept these lows, but delta maintained. So that's cool. That's cool to see. That's a little comforting. That's a little comforting to say the least. That's a little comforting. um, but again, guys, we just gotta wait and see here. Um, let's see. Yeah, so we swept the lows here, but Delta maintained. Hopefully we get some buyers. We got about a minute 30 until this candle closes. And again, just gotta wait and see. Hopefully we can get back up to volume here at in the 50s. Definitely be interested in getting out of my first one at, I mean, pretty much at 50. If we can get this up to 50, that'll be very cool here. Let me actually move this up one. And I'll move this up to like 54, I guess. And we'll just do that. We'll just see. Just wait and see here. So, oof, we're getting rejected hard off of that. Okay. Yes, it's starting to dump here. It is all fun and games until you're losing a lot of money and you're down big. Yes, has some heavy sellers stepping in here. I mean, they haven't been correlated all day. They have not been correlated all day, so hopefully they don't correlate now. But let's see how this candle closes. Closes in about 13 seconds. Hopefully we have a nice close. I think if we close over, I think if we close over 25, that'd be interesting. But let's see, guys. Let's see. Just gotta keep waiting and seeing. ES is still looking a little weak here. Still looking heavy. Again, guys, this is where trading really comes into play. This is where your mindset in trading really comes into play, because it's just very stressful to watch. But just got to be calm. Just got to be composed. So like here we have some buyers, good buyers stepping in, but obviously being rejected right off of our our average price here, which is always fun, right? But yeah, let's kind of just wait and see. Wait and see what she wants to do. If she wants to push it, I think if we break if we break, actually, oh, I see why. Okay, I see why. Okay, well, I mean, if we can break this -1 standard deviation, we should hopefully see a rotation back up to at least 35. So just gotta wait and see, right? Wait and see. Wait and see. Oh man, I just gotta wait and see. And gotta be calm, breathe, be patient, and just hold your nerve. Just gotta hold your nerve. Some days are easier than others. Not all days are created equally. Had quite a big sell-off here with a lot of sellers stepping in. This is a big candle that we need to retrace. This is about a 45 to what? It's about a 30-point candle that we need to try to engulf here. But we're having some major issues. About 2 minutes left in this candle. Yeah, this actually is not looking good. So let's just keep waiting here. Delta kind of slightly maintained here. Buyers trying to step in here. Hopefully we can break this short-term high on Delta. Nice candle, but immediate. Immediate rejection off of 30, man, right off of our average price, which is really annoying. But we're trying to push it. We're trying to push it. About a minute left in this candle. Trying to break it now. Let's see if we can. Hopefully we can. Buyers slowly starting to step in, but really rejecting hard at the 30 level here. This is previous resistance. Previous support now has turned into resistance, and now we just need some good buyers to step in and really break. So it looks like we're starting to break that level. 83 block at 33. See if that gets run through. It actually got pulled. So again, let's just wait and see what happens here. First entry is at 45, so I do kind of want to wait until 45. But 77 block at 33 got pulled again. New 5-minute candle just opened, and buyers are stepping back in. Thank God, because my heart was hurting. I was hurting. And that's just how emotions in trading works. One day you're silent because you can't hold your nerve. Well, not one day. 1 second you're silent, and the next you are laughing again because you are in profit. But again, I do want to just try and wait. I waited this whole time. Waited through all this drawdown. So I do want to see if buyers can continue to push this back up to the 50s. Let me get ready to deleverage in case we need it, but buyers are looking good here. Okay. Wow. What the fuck? All right. Okay. Well, relax a bit. Don't get too aggressive down to the downside. Pushing now, you want to bring it back down? What the heck? Okay. So again, like I said, that's just it's just emotions in trading, man. It's just emotions in trading. So we went up, we broke it, came back down to test the 30 level. Hopefully we continue a move off of the 30 level. Yeah, but I don't know. We were about like maybe 7 points in profit. Maybe 7. Should have deleveraged a little, but yeah, it is what it is, right? Yeah, guys. So this is gonna be my last trade because I'm going to have to hop off here pretty soon. So hopefully we can get filled out pretty quick here. Hopefully with Delta looking good. I do actually have to hop off the computer pretty soon, so I don't even know if I'll be able to hold this for the rest of the day. Buyers looking good. Buyers looking good. So let's just keep holding and see. Let's just keep holding and seeing. So if we can break this volume here at 35, I think we definitely see the rotation up to 40. So buyers looking good still. Buyers looking good still. 41 block at 35. Buyers stepping in very nicely. Yes, buyers stepping in nicely as well. Let's look at the one. Yes, buyers trying to step in actually. Let's look at the 1 minute here. Buyers looking good on 1 minute. I am actually going to. Yeah, because I'm gonna have to hop off here pretty soon. Actually, log off the computer. So I am going to. Okay, well, I guess we'll hold off for a little bit more. Because buyers are looking good. Buyers are stepping in again. So let's just wait and see here. I'll deleverage one.
Order filled.
Just to be safe, right? Because then we can sell this puppy off pretty soon. Yeah, that was a loss as well. 145 loser. I'm actually out here because I do have to log off. So guys, sorry I have to log off so quickly today. I wish I could stay on. Something did come up. Again, guys, drop a like if you enjoy the content. Sorry, these videos have been kind of long. I'm trying to figure out how I should structure it so it's a bit shorter. But thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, drop a subscribe, drop a comment if you want to see something in particular. And of course, we're going to keep moving up here. Could have gotten out a little later, but I do have to hop off. We ended the day. Oh, cool, 5:07 on the day. So that's a good day for me. Thank you guys again, and I hope to see you guys next time. Enjoy your day.